Alright, the next step on this project is to replace this wheel. I'm not going to get it done for something I need to use it for this weekend, but we're going to start. At least if I take it to what's called a death day party, I can have all four wheels. Now you might think these are some weird custom set of tires that you just can't find. They're not. I'm going to get what it is. These are the wheels. 14-inch tire rim clock. I got this in the local Harbor Freight. It's actually what these wheels are. They're actually wheels from a Harbor Freight. So that's why you can probably see this where it has the number 10. That would be 9, 8 behind the rotor. So let's get this thing out of its box. Apparently they screwed it in. Very interesting. So, here's the wheel. Let's get rid of this. That. As you can see, the tire size is 245/40 ZR18. Now we need to disassemble the clock. You may have noticed on the previous video, on the pan around, that the clock face was still on the other side. And we're going to unscrew the backer from this. Screws. Don't need that. So. Disassemble the hands, which if you've never seen this clock, the hands are a screwdriver, a wrench, and a Phillips head and a bolt head. Okay, we're going to have to take these screws out to remove this back plastic insert. Oh, we're supposed to. Oh, no, never mind. The other side still has the insert. This side didn't, because the insert is actually what holds this disc on, as you can see. So I'm going to have to pop those screws back in real quick. Maybe that's why this wheel broke off, is because it was maybe the first one, and they didn't, the person that built it didn't know. Not a problem. Trial and error. Looks like more, I guess it doesn't really need the brake. The reason I say that is there's a hubcap that goes over this. threads are sticking through. Try and line it up to the screw hole that was already there. Now it has 4 tires. And I have a whole bunch of spare parts. So anyhow, so that's the next step. Now to do the hubcap, so it looks like the original car, it's a print file. It's printed onto a decal. The decal is then adhered to the plastic face. So once I get the decal made, we'll have it with its original hubcaps, as you can see over there, and that will be a matching wheel. I'll have to make 2 so the other side matches as well. So other than that, we are done with the next step until the next time when we start taking it apart and fixing the body damage here and over there, sanding the windows down, trying to make the wood look more metallic. Spray paint's great, but we have an idea based on one of the Adam Savage videos on how to make this look like it's made out of actual metal. It's actually just wood with a whole bunch of screws. That process will also cover all the visible screws, make the car look cleaner. For something that would normally be buried, it sounds kind of funny, but we're going to do what we can. This process, again, is going to take some time, because in between the small pieces we can do intermittently, we have other stuff, the animated house repairs and so on. So, but step 2, fixing the wheel, done. Next step, starting to take it apart, clean it up, fix the wood, re-sand the edges, and make this look like it's made out of metal instead of painted wood. So, thanks for watching. Until the next one.